So how have you been doing?
Good, yeah. How have you been? I've been home only with my family. I don't even know
Right.
which day of quarantine has it been now.
Yeah, I think that's the story of
Yeah,
almost everyone.
yeah. It's like
So
day I don't
personally,
know.
personally, how much of a life-changing experience has this been for you?
Not life-changing, I would say, because I had actually been constantly shooting. So this was like a much needed break, to be very honest. But
Right.
yeah, I mean, obviously, we had all never thought we would see something like this in our lives. So
Right.
that way, it is obviously very shocking. Sometimes you have to really, while talking, pinch yourself and be like, is this really happening? Are we really going
Right.
through this? Um,
Right.
whole pandemic happening while, I mean, my parents were like, we've also not seen this in our generation and stuff like that. And
Right.
I think what has happened is we've all started, at least I have started valuing the little things in life, the simple things in life, which, we never pause or stop to think about. So that has
Mm.
happened.
Right. So you have this
What's
enormous
up with you?
following on social media, and I think you'll be utilizing that as well for creating awareness amongst your fans.
Yes, yes, I have.
How important has that been for you?
I mean, yeah, I think this is the time where we can sort of utilize the social media platform in a more
Right.
positive way, in a way which is beyond us and just about our films.
Mm.
Where we can sort of, if I can inspire someone to do something good, to make sure that someone who is taking this very lightly realizes how serious it is,
Right.
then that's the best that I can do at this point. And also, I think, all of us are sort of uh, not prepared for this situation. Many
Mm.
of us have not been taking it very seriously and thinking कि अरे यार मुझे थोड़ी ना होगा मुझे नहीं होगा. So we
Exactly.
all have had that thing in our heads. And yeah, I have sort of been talking to my followers, my fans, and sort of trying to urge, that they need to stay at home and they need to
Right.
follow the basic safety rules that the government is laying down. And there is a lockdown for a reason. It's a
Right.
lockdown of a country which has not happened like ever. So,
Mm.
yeah, of course, if I can sort of um, inspire people,
Mm.
um, sort of make them realize the situation, also at times make them smile in this situation,
Yeah, that's very
spread a
important. Yeah,
little bit of positivity, I
absolutely.
think that's all we all need. Sometimes I stumble upon someone's post and it makes me smile, or it makes me feel a bit of hope, and that's all we all need, yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
what is your normal day like?
I don't know. It to be honest, we don't get to know as the days are passing. Sometimes it's so fast and you're like, guzar gaya din? And you're in the next morning. And sometimes it's so slow where you're like, it's not passing. So yeah, it's spending time with my family, uh, sort of a little bit of cooking, which is something that I never used to do, and I hate cooking. So that's something I started doing a little bit. Reading some scripts that I have on my mail, and I've not gone through them yet. Watching Netflix, binging, sort of watching films that I haven't, I kind of missed on to because I was shooting. So it's
Right.
all of that. Playing Ludo.
In Ludo. Okay, so
Yeah.
which are the shows that you've been watching on Netflix?
So I was watching How to Get Away with Murder, which is actually a very long one. It's got 5 seasons with some 14,
Mm.
15 episodes in every season. I don't know if you have you seen it?
I haven't.
Have you
I'll
seen
see it
it?
now.
No. Okay. So I
I'll
was
see it now.
watching that. Then in the middle, Money Heist came up with their new season, and I had watched all. So I had to go on that and watch it. And then now I'm back to How to Get Away with Murder, about to finish it. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Try and watch Fauda. You've seen Fauda?
No.
It's a pretty interesting series.
What is it called?
Fauda, Fauda.
Oh, okay. I've not heard of this one. I
It's
will.
on Netflix. It's pretty
I
interesting.
will, I will.
Try and
I also want to
be a,
watch
like maybe
Special Ops. I've
special
heard
ops. I think
so
that is
much of
Hotstar. Yeah.
It's
It's
on
on Hotstar.
Hotstar. I've heard so much about it. I really want to watch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Arjun
All right.
helps me with all the recommendations. So he's given me
Of
very
course.
sweetly, he's given me a list of recommendations on WhatsApp.
Right.
And he really binge watches, so he knows everything.
Right. Maybe he would want to work with me at this point of time. You responded to that on Twitter as well.
I did respond to that. He says anything, yeah. I mean, what is this big superstar and all? Everybody knows who's the big superstar here. And he kind of jokes around. So I messaged him also later and I was like, what are you saying? Like, so he's like, Arey,
Right.
I'm kidding, yeah. So yeah, my response I already did on Twitter, but and I told him very openly that you say which film and when, and I'm on, which I'm very serious about because
Right.
it's been about 6 years, yeah, since Hirupanti released,
Hiruman.
and we've not worked together since then, which is very strange because our pairing was sort of appreciated, the chemistry was appreciated. So I'm also
Right.
like a little quizzed on the fact that we haven't worked together yet. So let's hope something comes up soon. And I don't have a dates diary, otherwise I would tell him ki le lo. So so
Right. I
I
think
really wish it happens soon because he's someone I have a different kind of a connection with because we've started our journeys together, and I always have this soft corner. I always see him doing even better than before and growing as a person, as an actor, and it just somewhere weirdly makes me proud. So
Mhm.
let's hope things happen soon.
Right. And you guys did a music video together as well.
Yeah, we did. Which happened actually immediately. It was like a
Immediately
Hirupandi
after.
hangover that happened immediately. Yeah. Chal
Right.
wahan jate hain.
But
Yeah.
in a way, I think Tiger is right that I think you are having a very impressive slate of films which are lined up. You had a fantastic 2019, and you're having Bachchan Pandey. You were acting on you were shooting for Mimi recently, which I think a lot of
Yeah.
people they've been having some great things to say. I think you also maybe said that it's one of your best performances or best films as an actor.
It's the one of the most beautiful scripts I've sort of come across in a long time. For sure.
Right.
Performance वगैरह तो अभी मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ? I don't know. I have no idea. अभी तो मैंने I've done it. हो गया है. Now it is up
Mhm.
to the director, up to the audiences to sort of decide how I have performed, and let's see. But
Right.
it's definitely
But
very
you have
special regardless.
right, but you're having a very impressive slate of films lined up. Bachchan Pandey is
Yeah,
there.
thankfully, yeah. Thankfully, there are some interesting films lined up with Mimi, thankfully, which I have completed. I was sort of wondering what if this had happened in the middle of the schedule. And it kind of, the
Mm.
lockdown happened immediately once I came back. So
Mm.
that is something that I have completed. I was about to start this film with Rajkumar Rao, Paresh Rawalji, Dimple Kabadia ma'am, which
Right.
is a comedy. And that's also a really funny, interesting family comedy kind of a film, which we were about to start. And then, of course, there's Bachchan Pandey, which I'm super thrilled about. I'm too
Mm.
excited about that film, and I'm so excited that it's just getting pushed.
Right. So even I spoke to Farhad Samji, and so I asked him so that Kriti Sanon fans they have this apprehension that how significant her role will be because it's an Akshay Kumar vehicle. So he said that I can say it on record that Kriti is having an equal role, and it's much more than two songs, and she's having a very substantial role. So when your director says something like that, so I'm sure that that must be
I
encouraging.
know. I saw this interview of yours. Where he said she's almost like a parallel hero,
Yes.
which
Yeah.
I was like, and tab tak I had heard a little bit of the script, but not uh,
Mhm.
most of it. So I was also very excited, and I called him up, and I'm like, I'm really excited to know exactly where it shaped up and how it shaped up. And now I can like really say that it is very, very exciting, the role that is there. And also, it's something that I haven't done before and for a while.
Mhm.
And it's and even Akshay sir has got a very, very kick-ass role. You
Of
can see
course.
the poster. I
Of course.
say it. He's in a beast mode in the poster, and
Right.
so my character is obviously very away from that, but it's a great combination, and I'm very excited because it's got everything in it. You know, there's comedy, there's action, there's a lot of interesting drama happening. You know, it's a full package film, I would say.